Karmic relationship. You're involved with somebody that's in a karmic relationship. This karmic person who your person's involved with is messy, okay? The good news is it's coming to an end, okay? There's going to be no going back for those two. So if you're waiting on a change with that, this is it, okay? I feel as though this person has been influencing your person for a very long time, not in a positive way. So there's been no room for growth within that situation. So if you're in a third party situation, in a situationship, or, you know, you're aware that there are more people involved in the current situation you're in, this is for you. You're unsatisfied, your person is unsatisfied, and the karmic is unsatisfied. So nobody's happy and something needs to change. The realization of everybody being unhappy in this is being kind of clouded by the karmic, because this person is always deceiving your person, always trying to kind of get in the mix of all this and stop your person from leaving. That relationship is long overdue. It should have ended a long time ago, okay? They keep giving me a timeline here and a brick wall. It should have been done a long time ago. Goodbye. Should have been said, okay? I feel like your person's under pressure and doesn't really know how to get out of this, because every time they try, they always bring up a reason as to why they have to stay. So whether there are commitments or things, I'm not sure. They're ashamed of how things are with you. They understand that you've been waiting and that something needs to change here. But this karmic is messed up, okay? I feel as though they try to kind of like impersonate you or be like you, or kind of try to dress like you, look like you. They must be watching you on some level, so they're very aware of you. This is a situation where the other person knows about you in some capacity. They're trying to find information on you, trying to blacken your name, trying to make you look bad, but at the same time trying to be like you, which is bizarre. You know, I feel a bit sorry for this person. They're going out of the mind. However, the way that they're going about this, instead of just letting go of the relationship, they're trying to stop anybody being happy. So this person may be suffering with addiction. They may be very codependent on your person as well, or trying to make your person codependent. It shows there that there's obsession in this. They're also trying to make things look not quite as they are. So if you are aware of them and you can see what they post, they might be posting things to kind of trigger you, making out that they're happy and this is going on and that's going on. It's not like that. They're trying to kind of fake it until they make it, sort of thing. There's been a lot of pain in that connection between those two. There's been a lot of cheating or a lot of lying and mind games on both sides. So nobody is innocent in that. And this karmic is desperately trying to control the situation. She knows that she's losing grip on him or her and doesn't want to let them go, because they don't want them to come and be happy with you. You're going to have communication that comes in that brings shocking news. So let's see what that is. It's a bit shady though, so be careful. If it's the karmic that contacts you, be mindful of things may not be true. If it's your person that contacts you, shady tactics. They might be expressing to you that they found out something to do with the karmic and what the karmic's been playing at and doing to cause problems, because this person is wanting to come back to you. And they're wanting to come back to you and make it work, okay? So they're trying to ignore the karmic. They're trying to kind of, I think that they've tried to do that for a long time, put it to one side, ignore it, keep going, but they've reached a breaking point where they can't continue. I feel like you've been crying over them, the karmic's been crying over you. This is a very messy situation, okay? And I'm not saying what's right or wrong in this connection, but it's just shown that they no longer should be together, and there is an opportunity here where you two could have something good. Everybody's just exhausted with the whole thing, and I feel like the third party is relentless. There's a lot of drinking going on, or partying, or mind not being with much clarity in this person, so they're going crazy. See, here's the third party again, the secrets with the third party. They're trying to kind of stay in the way of your connection, trying to stop your person from finding any happiness without them. But like I said a minute ago, breaking point is coming. This is all going to stop. There's going to be a final straw. Something happens, something comes out. Your person finds something out about the karmic, and that's it. They're done. In that moment, it's just gone too far. They're absolutely exhausted. They're drained with it. They can't do it. What they want to do is come to you, ask for a second chance to do it the right way, to do it properly. I do feel as though when this happens, you will suffer a lot of abuse in some way from this third party, so just be mindful of that, because it shows lots of threatening behaviour there. I don't see any action on it, but I definitely see that there's going to be a lot of negativity around this before you're able to kind of move forward. That's because your person's involved in a karmic tie. They need to close that off in order to come with you and give your guys a relationship the chance to blossom.